some of the things we expect with summer.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, those are crickets that you hear in the background because I kind of live in the country, so I apologize. But I wanted to just go ahead and film because I just finished this beautiful, it's like an olive green wristlet. This is part of the Natalie series based on a request by the subscriber Natalie, and that person wanted me to show more wristlet ideas, so that's what I'm doing. If you have any suggestions or something that you want to see, please put it in the comments, and if I can do it, I will. This was something that I wanted to do because you don't really need to have a design to make something pop. I took a plain green wristlet, and this is the color of the leather, and some basic half back beads and matching crystals, and I made this into something that I think looks really luxurious and beautiful. So I highly suggest that you do this, and if you don't like the green, you could really use any color and have the same effect. So if this is something that you like and you want to add it to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used E6000 glue and an olive green wristlet from Coach. I also used olive green half back beads and some Swarovski crystals. The sizes of the beads are 7mm, 5mm, 4mm, and 3mm. This is a peridot color Swarovski crystal in 12SS. And this up here, I apologize, I don't know what the name of the bead is. It's something that I got in a pack from Michael's. It was like a 3-pack of 90 beads, but it's like an iridescent olive green peridot color, and it's a hot fixed stone. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this, but I just wanted to include it in case I do later on in the video and you guys wondered what it was. So these are the crystals and the beads that I used. My first step is to establish a border. This is the border so far. I am going to now start the beading process and I'll check in as I go along. This is the progress so far. I like it, but I kind of feel like this iridescent one might overpower the peridot crystals, but I'm gonna add a couple more beads before I make that decision, so I'll check in a little bit. This is a little more progress. I did remove the iridescent crystal because I just didn't like how it was looking. And on camera, this looks more like a money green, but in person, it definitely looks olive. And I really like how the crystals are adding a richness to the beading. So I'm going to keep going and check back in. This is a little bit more progress, and what I like about this is the monotone, the fact that the leather, the beads, and the crystals are all the same color really makes this look kind of rich. But if you're making this for yourself, I think you might want to consider getting a different color crystal because I think that would make it really pop. But so far I really like how this is turning out, so I'm going to keep going and I'll check back in a little bit. This is the progress so far. I'm going to finish up and show you the final results. As a reminder, this is what the wristlet looked like before. This is the final result. I really like how this turned out. I love the way the Swarovski crystals sparkle because you really can't even tell that they're there until you move the bag. So I'm really pleased with these results. I hope that you make this. This is such a cute color. I'll put all of the details in the description box. I really thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great week and I will see you next time.